If you want to create a polished LinkedIn post fast, Gamma AI can help you turn a simple idea, a block of text, or even a document into a professional social post in just a few clicks. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to create a LinkedIn post with Gamma AI, how to choose the right format for a standard post or a carousel, and how to export it the right way so you can share it on LinkedIn with confidence. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy AI tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open Gamma app and log into your dashboard. Once you're in, look for the option that says Create New with AI. This is where Gamma starts building your post from scratch using artificial intelligence. It's designed to save time, so instead of manually designing every slide or writing every section yourself, Gamma gives you a structured starting point instantly. Now you need to choose your input. Gamma gives you a few flexible ways to begin. You can type in a simple text prompt if you already know what you want your post to be about. You can also paste existing text if you've already written some content and want Gamma to turn it into a more polished LinkedIn-friendly format. Another option is to import a file or document, which is especially useful if you already have notes, a blog draft, or a script that you want to transform into a social post. Once your input is added, click Generate. Gamma will ask you to choose a format, and for LinkedIn posts, you want to select social. This is the best choice because it tells Gamma to build content that works well for social media rather than a presentation or a long article. After that, you'll choose the layout depending on the kind of LinkedIn post you want to create. If you're making a multi-card LinkedIn carousel, choose Portrait. Portrait is ideal for vertical slide-style content that feels more natural on mobile and works really well for educational posts, step-by-step breakdowns, or list-based content. If you want a standard feed post instead, choose Square. Square is a great option if you want a cleaner single post style that fits neatly into the LinkedIn feed. Next, pick the number of cards or slides you want Gamma to create. This step matters because it controls how much content your post will contain. A shorter post might only need a few cards, while a more detailed carousel can use more slides to explain your idea clearly. Once you've selected the number of cards, click Generate again, and Gamma will begin building your post structure. In a few moments, Gamma will instantly draft your post with AI-generated text and images. This is where the tool really saves time. Instead of starting from a blank page, you'll already have a designed post with written content and visual elements. From here, you can review the wording, check the flow of the slides, and make sure the message matches your goal. Now it's time to edit and brand your post. You can select a professional design theme if you want Gamma to give everything a clean, ready-made look. Or, if you already have a brand style, you can apply your own brand colors so the post matches your business or personal brand. This is a great way to make your LinkedIn content look consistent and more recognizable. If you want to refine the tone, structure, or wording, use the Edit with AI button. This is one of the most useful features because it lets you quickly improve the content without rewriting everything manually. You can make the post sound more professional, more concise, more persuasive, or more engaging depending on your audience. You can also adjust formatting so each slide reads more clearly and flows better from one card to the next. Before you publish, take a moment to review everything carefully. Check for spelling, make sure the design looks clean, and confirm that the message is easy to understand. If you're creating content for business, thought leadership, or personal branding, a polished final review can make a big difference in how people respond to your post. Once you're happy with the result, you can publish or export it. For a standard LinkedIn post, click Share, then Export, then Post to LinkedIn. That lets you send your creation directly to your profile. If you're making a carousel post, export the Gamma post as a PDF. That PDF can then be uploaded to LinkedIn as a carousel-style document post, which is perfect for sharing step-by-step content, tips, or educational slides. And that's it, you now know how to create a LinkedIn post with Gamma AI from start to finish. Whether you're making a single post or a carousel, Gamma makes the process faster, easier, and much more professional. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more AI workflows, and let me know in the comments what tool you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.